Okay, I'd like to talk about how to make a website that adheres to the requirements for our last project. Um, our last project is where we are making a Weebly website, or if you use another platform, that's okay too. But basically, we're trying to create these 3 accounts. You've already made these 2 accounts for YouTube and SoundCloud for your last assignment. But this time we're going to take the content that you've uploaded to YouTube and SoundCloud and embed them into a Weebly website. So in Weebly, you're going to create a personal information page that's a picture that includes a picture of yourself, information about yourself, what your media type is, what you make, what you do, what you like to do, where you work, etc. Whatever you'd like to include about yourself, and a way of contacting you that connects you with a non-EIU email account. The reason why I empathize or emphasize this is because this is to be used perhaps in the future when you're not affiliated with Eastern. And so I encourage you to use a non-EIU email account so that you can continue to use this beyond this class. So in Weebly, you're going to create an account and edit a website, and it'll guide you through how to do this. But these 2 buttons are where most of your things are going to be. There's also a way here where you can establish a theme and select from a series of themes for your website. That's kind of where the fun is, really. Creating pages is as simple as clicking this tab and pressing the plus button here. And you can create a standard page if you like. And this is going to be your intro page. And you would include that in the navigation so that you can link to it up on top. You can create these, what we call breadcrumbs, at the top of a website. And we'll just say done. And you can insert content or build your website from this menu. So you can insert an image, you can drag these widgets over here and insert an image from your computer or from whatever device. You can also create a contact form where you're asking people to send you their information, and you can link that to your email address. You can put in some text. So anything you want to add to your website, you drag over as an object. So this is sort of object-oriented building of a website. You can justify and change the orientation of your content. This is text editing feature, and you can change the kind of text orientation. Just you can spend as much time as you want to getting this to look just like you want. And then you can preview your content by publishing it. And you can also toggle between desktop mode and mobile mode and things like that. So if you want to create a content page for 1070, so if you go over to your assignment and you say, okay, I also need a Music 1070 projects page, where you're going to embed, not link to, but embed the following: a SoundCloud link, a YouTube work, and a PDF. So those things can be done by accessing the page that you want to use. And I'm going to reuse this 1070 page that I built before. And here I already have 2 things that I've embedded. And I'm going to actually show you how to do this again by going over here and showing you the embed code widget. That is where you embed things. So you can slide it into whatever part of the page you'd like. It'll give you a space to edit. And in any of these things, you can select the Edit Custom HTML button, and it'll open this empty space. Let's go back to YouTube. So this is a YouTube video I have here, and I want to share it. So you go down to the Share button for your video, and you find the Embed button. The embed will give you code, HTML code, which you will steal. You'll copy that, you bring it over to Weebly, and you'll paste that here in your Edit Custom HTML box. Paste. and the video will be then inside your website. So anyone who visits your website can hit play, and they'll see the video and hear the audio inside your website, which is better than linking to an external website. SoundCloud does a similar thing where you select the embed code function and put it in your website, and you click the edit custom HTML, go over here to SoundCloud, find a track that you uploaded, and I'm going to load it here. Oops. I'm going to try to load it. Come on. Here, I'll just go to the share here. And it gives you not just a link, but an embed option. Select the embed option and don't select automatic play. We're going to find the code here. We're going to Command C or copy that, and we're going to paste that in Weebly. And it puts it right here in my website, which is fantastic. That's what we're trying to do. Now, let's talk about a PDF. PDFs are easily embedded into here with the scribed tool, scribed document. This will allow you to embed a PDF easily with a special PDF reader. This is useful. To upload a new document, click here and select Upload New File. It's as simple as that. You click your upload file, you find a PDF on your computer, and it hosts it in your website. Let me go ahead and wait for that to upload. Oh, sad computer. There it is. Okay. So what it does is it gives it a separate window so that instead of just embedding it like a picture, you're basically using it like a document where you can, it gives you tools like zooming in, making a full screen, downloading it, all that good stuff is our tools that this already has in it. I wish this would go away, and I don't really know why it's not. Okay, so that way I can zoom in, I can use all these tools with my PDF. So that is what we're doing, and if you'd like to look at a few examples, I've got my webpage linked here. I've also got a former student who agreed to let us use her digital portfolio as an example. She built this for her music education degree a few years ago. But what you're doing is you're then taking the link from Weebly and pasting it into a blank document and uploading that to the Dropbox. You can also include a link in your comments section of the submission portal as well. That should basically be it for your assignment. If you have any questions, please let me know.